everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be here as always. As you guys can see, I'm standing up and this is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video today. I know I showed you guys before my makeup collection video, and that actually is the biggest hit video I've ever gotten. I have like 760 views right now, and I'm a newer YouTuber and a smaller channel, so it's really exciting to have that many views on a video. But sometimes your makeup definitely gets really disorganized, and if you know me personally, I'll do my makeup anywhere I can get good lighting. So I'll do my makeup on the kitchen table, on the living room floor, in like 6 different spots in the living room, in the bathroom, in my car, just wherever I can find the best lighting to do it the best. So, or if I'm lazy, I have to sit down in a comfy spot. So yeah, my makeup is always kind of just everywhere. It's never in one spot, and so at some point I have to like tell myself, this is a mess, I need to get this fixed and put it all back together. So today I wanted to show you guys kind of how I do that, but more to just help you guys and show you guys how to organize your makeup as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do after this intro is show you guys what my makeup currently looks like in my drawers. I did throw it all back in my drawers, but I didn't organize any of it. So it is all in one spot, but I'm gonna show you guys how the drawers look, and then we'll organize it together and see how it looks at the end. So let's get started. Alright, so if you haven't already seen my first video, just my makeup collection, I have this 10 drawer organizer here. As you can see, there's like one label on there already. I forgot to mention that in the intro, but I did have somebody that went to my high school a couple years older than me, and after seeing my makeup collection video, she did reach out to me and want to make me some labels, because I mentioned in there that I wanted to add labels and make it even more organized than it already was. So yeah, so I'm going to be putting those on in the video too, so we can just do all the steps together and make it nice and organized. I even left my dirty mirror up there so we can clean some things and go from looking drab to fab. So I'll just go through the drawers like I said and show you how they look right now, which is currently terrible. Here's all my brushes, all my lipsticks, lip glosses, some chapsticks, all lip products are just in there. Some primers, or one primer. I think I have another primer somewhere down there, not even in the same drawer, so I need to organize that. Foundations, I put a couple can't even talk, couple powders, concealer, did I already say that? I'm kind of forgetting where I'm at. So this drawer is all eyeshadow palettes. This drawer is also eyeshadow palettes and some eyeshadow singles. This drawer is highlighters and bronzer and just contour palettes. In this drawer, a highlighter in this is broken, so it's kind of a mess back here, so I want to clean that as well. This is my blush drawer. I don't feel like I have as much blush, but this eyeshadow palette right here has some blush in it, and this has like 12 blushes in it, and so I feel like I do have kind of a lot of blush, but that's probably one of the things I have less of. The next 3 drawers are just completely disorganized. This has eyebrow stuff in it, mascara, yeah, an eyeshadow primer, a coupon, and then the next drawer has eyeliners, but lip liners as well, eyelashes, setting sprays, so kind of just all over the place on that. And then this drawer is just like miscellaneous, and I've always kind of wanted it to be miscellaneous, but it still is a really big mess. It has some little sample perfumes, eyelash glue, some pore strips, some moisturizers, primers, like some blackhead extraction tools, tweezers, eyelash tool, eyeshadow shields, sponges that are all dirty. So yeah, as you can see, this just isn't very organized and it needs to be a lot better. So you guys are gonna help me through this entire process. Alright, so my best tip is to just start out by obviously getting an organizer. So if you have kind of a minimal to big makeup collection like I have, which I had some comments on my makeup collection video about how that was. My video is titled The Average Girl's Makeup Collection, and some people were like, this is not average. But honestly, I compared myself to people who are like big YouTubers and people who are makeup artists, and like all my favorite YouTubers who have literally like 20 organizers full of makeup. So I only have one, so that still like is considered average to me, and I love how much makeup I have, and I work hard for the makeup that I do buy, and I get a lot of it as gifts. But yeah, it is average to me, and so I wanted to get an organizer that I know I could grow with and that would hold a lot of makeup. And so I got a 10 drawer organizer. So I kind of did some research though, because I had seen it at some places and it was like close to $100 for just a 10 drawer organizer. And the one that I wanted, which was clear drawers with the silver handles, and I did not want to pay $100 for some plastic drawers. And so I just kept doing some research. I looked for like a week or so, and I looked on different websites. I looked on Amazon. I just Googled it and looked through other websites. And finally I found one literally $35 for this 10 drawer organizer at Michael's. And I got this probably, I don't even know, probably like 8 or 10 months ago. I'm just gonna give a complete guess. I know it's probably not been a year yet, but I finally found one on Michael's for $35, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So I would say just definitely do your research. Don't go out and buy the first $100 one you see. If you want a cheaper one, definitely just keep researching it. And you don't have to have the one with the clear drawers and the silver handles if you don't want, because I know that there was some other colored ones that were cheaper. For some reason this one cost more. I have no idea why, but this is the one that I wanted because it matched like the theme of my apartment and things like that. So yeah, so just find the one that you want in the price range that you want and the amount of drawers you want as well, because there's ones that have 5 drawers with like deeper drawers, or 8 drawers. I think 10 was like the biggest maybe. I can't remember, but there was also ones that had like it was wider, so it had like more drawers but like a second row. That was a pretty good one. That one cost more obviously, or I probably would have gotten that one. Yeah, so definitely go out and get an organizer. That's my opinion, to help you organize your makeup. And then the second tip that I wanted to start out with before we actually get into the organizing is to start a list, because if you're going to label your drawers, and obviously you're here to organize your drawers and organize your makeup, so you want to decide what you want in each drawer. So I just got this new cute little notepad from Marshall's that says check me out, like meow. So I'm going to just create a list. And obviously I already have the labels that I wanted, so I'll just create the list that I already made originally. But to just create a list of what you want each of the drawers to either say, or if you're not going to label it, just what you want in each of the drawers, so that you know before you start what is going to go in each drawer. So it has 10 drawers, so I'm going to label it to 10. Alright, so there is my list of the 10 things that I wanted in my 10 drawers. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to label these drawers. This one already says brushes. Unfortunately, I have literally looked everywhere and I cannot find the bottom drawer, which is miscellaneous, anywhere. So I'm going to have to contact the person that made these for me and have her make that one, unfortunately, again, if she can, because I literally searched my whole bedroom, which is where I kept the labels. So I can show you guys one of these close up, and this is like a little wipe she gave me, I'm guessing, to clean off the drawers. So I'm going to clean off the drawers with this alcohol wipe and then put all of these on there. And so as you can see, these are kind of the labels she made me, and I'm gonna put all of her information. She has a Facebook page and everything, and don't mind my really grown out nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow. But I'm gonna put all of her information in the description box, and yeah, you guys can get labels from her. She let me pick out the font, she had me pick out what size I wanted, and she also asked me if I wanted sparkly, and of course I wanted sparkles. So there's that. You can see she gave me some little pictures for some of the drawers as well. So like here's lips for the lip products, and like for the eyes she gave me this one. And yeah, there's just a few different little pictures that go with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the drawers off, put the labels on, and like speed through some of that. And yeah, and then we'll empty out all the drawers and get started on the actual organizing part. But this is a big step in it too.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the rolling sea. You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, trying the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. Through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the whole was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh,
So we are finally done. That was a long freaking project, let me tell you. Okay, so we are gonna go through and just look at the drawers one last time. Ooh, that's gorgeous. The lips. I have too much lipstick. I wish that could be better organized in the back, but just with the way lipstick is shaped, it's hard to organize it all. And I want to see my favorites, like the Kylie's in the front and stuff, you know? Here's this. And sometimes, like, I know this shifts around a little bit while we're moving the drawers, so just keep that in mind. And I don't know what's going on, but I did makeup for a wedding, and I realized that my Jaclyn Hill palette is missing, and that's the last time I've used it. My new eyelash glue that I bought, that's the last time I've used it, and I've needed it a couple of times and haven't been able to find it. So, I don't know. I'm going to have to contact this girl. I don't even have her phone number because I was helping somebody. So I'm really worried that I'm not going to get my Jaclyn Hill palette back. Eyelash glue is one thing, but my Jaclyn Hill palette, that's another. I use that like on the daily when I do my eyeshadow. Blush. It's all brow stuff over there. Eyelashes. miscellaneous drawer. Alright guys, so we are finally finished. That took a couple hours. Oh my god. That took forever, didn't it, Milo? But I am super happy with the results. I hope you guys are after seeing them. And yeah, so I would just suggest, again, like we can go over it again real fast. It's just to get an organizer, get some labels. So just do that, come up with a list of what you want on each drawer, make labels. You don't have to buy them from a specific person, although I will link her information below. But you can also buy a label maker of your own. I just didn't want to buy a label maker just specifically what I might use at one time. Like, I don't label a lot of stuff, but maybe I will in the future after doing this project. But besides that, yeah, just take each drawer one at a time, take out all the products, and just organize it how you want. Make sure they all fit in place, and it just looks nice. So yeah, overall, I think it turned out awesome, and I can't wait to have a more organized makeup collection now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.